Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to add a product thumbnail image. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's just say you want to create a product thumbnail image for your Gumroad product. So first, you need to log into your Gumroad and then open your product. On the left sidebar, click Products. Choose the product you want to edit or create a new one. So this time, I just want to edit from one of my products right here. For example, this one. And I am going to find the thumbnail section. So you have to scroll down and look or find the thumbnail section. Go to the section labeled cover or thumbnail image. It usually appears near the top of the product setup page. So we're going to copy this ratio or image dimension. Now I highly suggest Canva. You can use Canva for your editing tool. Just create an account, tap on create, and you design. Now in Canva, you have to scroll down and tap on custom size. You have to tap on or click custom size right here and then follow the size of this thumbnail for your Gumroad. So it's like 600 by 600 px and then tap on create a design. Here you will see a blank page, but on the left side you can see your upload, design, element. So you have to simply go to the search icon for design and then kind of type or enter any keyword related to your product. So let's just say I will be looking for a thumbnail for pantry or all about cooking. So I have to type cooking here and then I'm going to select that specific design. But I'm going to show you the pro version of Canva. As you can see, there are tons of designs that we can use unlike the basic version. So I will be selecting that thumbnail design right here, for example, this one. And I'm going to replace the name, for example, pantry, from pantry to plate. So as you can see, I'm going to tap this word right here. And then I'm going to delete or replace, copy the name of my product. But I think it's kind of long, so I have to make it short. Like I just have to paste here the from pantry to plate, I guess. Just this part right here, and then paste it back. Now feel free to edit, add effects. You can also change the image if you want, change the background color, add another element. So this is the good thing about Canva. It's very easy to use because it has a user-friendly interface. All you have to do is to click and then drag. Then you will have your thumbnail right here. Okay, so I know that you can do better than this, but this is how easy it is to create a thumbnail for your Gumroad. Now, once done, you can now tap on the share icon above on the right side. You can see here share icon. Just click this one, and then you have to look for the PNG. You have to make sure it's PNG. Tap on download, PNG, download, go back to your Gumroad, and then upload it. And that's how easy it is to add product thumbnail. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.